So let me show y'all something. I was messing around today. I don't show y'all the whole thing because it'll be just ridiculous. Then it will sound like bragging. You see XLM? You see XRP? This is me trading, right, with futures. This is my P&L, right? So XRP and XLM. Let's look at them together real quick. Let's look at XRP, right? XRP tether, okay? And let's look at it on the 4 hour. So you can see here. So you can see here on the 4 hour, you can see that we're completely oversold here. And let's look at the 1 hour for XRP. You can see on the 1 hour, we're actually shooting down. But this pump right here, meaning it's coming back down, but I got in on a trade here and just rode it up. You see it? XRP, I rolled that up for a quick $300 trade. That happened today. Look, 2023, 721. That was 243. Is that like 243 or something like that? I can't remember. But yeah, rolled that up for $300. Look at XLM. Stellar Lumens was pumping. And so I rolled that up for about $700 real quick. Let's go and look at XLM. I don't like doing a lot of day trading, but it's boring to me. But if I just ever needed to just grab some bread, that's not what I want. I actually want to look at it with the tether trading pair. So let's go and look at XLM, Stellar, Tether. Where you at? I don't want the futures contract. It doesn't matter which one of these I get. Look, USDT. There we go. So I look at it. So look for the 1 hour. You can clearly see here, we was here. Then we pumped up like that. And then we roll back down. Now we're getting a little pump here. But here on a trade, come in, and then I roll that up for a $600 trade. See it? Look at the date. Today's the 21st, isn't it? 7/21/1435. So I created both of these trades and was like, yeah, let me just, what is that? About $1,000. Quick little $1,000 for me. I'm just trying to show you how this stuff works. I'm going to show you. Let me see a Bitcoin trading pair if I can get that up online. If I was to go down this thing and start showing, y'all be like, bruh, just really? Yeah. Just make a trade here or there, whatever. You ain't doing nothing. You sitting there, you waiting on something. You know, like, well, let's make a trade real quick. And you look at the charts on TradingView and you see what's going on. You're like, that's a good trade. You may trade. I don't like doing it though. It's just I don't like it. I was going to show y'all something. I was going somewhere with this. Let me go back. Bitcoin trading pairs is what we were talking about. Let me go here and look at the trade. Let's go ahead and trade. Spot trading is where we want to go to. And I want to go over here to trading pairs. So check it. This is me talking to everybody now. So in KuCoin, you see I'm in KuCoin now. And you see I click up here? Notice that this is USD, right? But notice here, now, if I click on this is all the coins you can trade with BTC on KuCoin with a BTC trading pair. Notice I got some favorite ones. You guessed, look, I got some favorite ones here, but they got a star beside them. Polygon-matic, love doing it, right? Cardano, trading pair, EWT, VeChain, right? Constellation DAG, Cody, Veracity, HBAR, Near Protocol. Do I got any other favorites up here? Yeah, Internet Computer, Audius, Avalanche, and of course, Render. I think that's all of them for my, oh no, AGIX, Singularity Net, Ocean Protocol. Man, I'm giving y'all a mad game. This Chronos, is that it? No, Arweave. Look at all these things that you can trade BTC. But guess what? You also can go up here, you can trade, you can do ETH, you can do all kind of stuff. You got the Arbitrum train, you got all kind of stuff, man. This is crazy. Alts, look at that. This is Ethereum. You can trade Ethereum against Casper. Ethereum against this. Ethereum against this. Look at this stuff, man. This is craziness. I love trading ETH against Cosmos. Some of y'all don't know what Atom is, but I love trading ETH against that. Look at that 5-inch leverage on that too. I don't do a lot of ETH trading pair, but that Cosmo ETH trading pair, I'll be rocking it. Cosmo made me a lot of ETH. That was free game, by the way.